In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask images, shapes, and UI in Figma, providing a full guide along with some tips and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just dipping your toes into the world of Figma, understanding how to effectively use masks is crucial for creating professional and polished designs. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of us rely on for crafting stunning user experiences. Once there, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your projects, which will bring you to the home screen. This is your launching pad for working with designs. Now navigate to the Design tab where all the magic happens. This area is your workspace where you'll begin by selecting the image or shape that you'd like to mask. Simply click on the image to highlight it, indicating that it's ready for further action. Once your image or shape is selected, direct your attention to the panel on the right and locate the Actions menu. This is where Figma offers you a suite of options to modify and manipulate your selected object. When you click on Actions, you're opening up a realm of possibilities that enable you to enhance your design's appearance and functionality. From the Actions menu, you'll see an option called User's Mask. Go ahead and click on this. By doing so, you've now applied a mask to your selected image or design element. This action essentially takes your chosen object and uses it as a shape to cut out sections of other objects beneath it, much like a stencil would work in the physical world. It's an intuitive way to blend elements and create focus within your design. Understanding how masks operate is key to mastering the art of Figma. They allow you to isolate parts of your design, controlling which areas are visible or hidden, adding layers of depth and complexity. Experimenting with different shapes and compositions can lead to striking visual outcomes, making your design stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time playing with masks to discover their full potential. Adjusting the layers and experimenting with different masks can transform an ordinary design into something extraordinary. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to mask images, shapes, and UI elements in Figma. Thanks to these tools, you can streamline your workflow and create visually appealing designs with ease. Be sure to make the most of these tips and tricks to enhance your projects. Thank you for joining, and happy designing.